Hi guys, we are still on accounting creation, so we need to take it step by step so that you can get it very well and without any mistakes. So because the purpose of this course is to guide you people to the process of making your own money without any mistakes. So let us move ahead to our browser. Come back here. Now this is where we stopped in the previous course. Now let us go back to our email. You can see we have gotten Pioneer message. They said verify your account. So you click here, you verify your account. So your account has been verified. We still have some email. Okay, they said wow, you can see they said we are happy to let you know that we have approved your application for a Pioneer account. So you can see now the account they said they are going to approve for 3 days has been approved immediately. So now you click on sign in into your account. Click on sign in into your account. So you enter your password. You enter your username and password. Our work 2022 .com. So then you enter your password. Then you log in. You can click on save. Not now. You can turn it on, but for me, not now. I don't want to turn it on now. Now your account is available now. Your account is available. They said, welcome to Pioneer Patricia. Let's get your account ready for first time. Please take a few moments to complete the initial setup. So then update. So here now you need to set another security question. So you need to set another security question. In which city did you get married? So you select anything. So and this one, in which year did you meet your spouse? Which year did you meet your spouse? So I told you the last time that you should try to document the details you are using in case of verification in the future. So meet your spouse in case of verification. Write it my own. Let me just put 2015. Then they said, what is the first name of your eldest siblings? What is the first name of your eldest siblings? So what is the first name of the eldest of your siblings? Then you click on done. Save it. Which city did you get married? Ibadan. Which year did you? Which year LS Symbols. Where did you meet your spouse each year? What is the LS Symbols? So Patricia. When is your spouse birthday? Which time? Which city? What is the first name of your eldest child? Mary. Changed. A code has been sent. So wait for the code. Invoice. The code is not yet orders. This is the code 30 18 37. 30 18 37. 30 18 37. 30 18 30 18 37. So then I submit. So then you click on done. Then you click on let's go. Now, so now you can now set up your account now. You know I told you that you select USA, so you can use this one to withdraw. So no money here, no money here yet. So just come here. So receive, you can see global payment. You click on the global payment. So that's the global payment. New. You can see you have UK. That's why I said you can select UK. You can select USA. The two won't give you problem at all. The two won't give you problem at all. So now just click on few details. You know we use USA. Few details. Now this is the details you are going to be using. Few details. So go back to your hand. They said name of the account holder, so come back here. So beneficiary to copy, just copy, come back here, paste, come back here, said bank name, copy, so go back here, so where is the bank? USA, bank name, paste it, routine number, so come here for the routine number. This is the routine number, copy, come back here, paste the routine number, account number, so come here, copy, come back here, you paste. So what that's again? So the account is checking. We see checking. Yes. checking. So just click on add. So that's all you can see. You are set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon market. Whether they sell the book in German, whether they sell it in India, they are going to pay you into your account like that. Now let us proceed further. It said complete your tax information. So you click on this place. It said you have on save, so save and continue. Okay. So complete your tax information. Here you come here, your tax information. Come here, your tax information. Here individual. They said individual includes sole proprietors, single, all stuff. They said for USA tax for books only. Are you a USA? No. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or person receiving payment on behalf of any other person? No. So your name, yes. So now this place, remember, when you want to create your pioneer, there's a place whereby they ask for the document number. The same document number you use to create your pioneer is what you are going to enter here now. The same document number is what you are going to provide here now. So don't forget. 4LY. So that's all. So your citizen, you must select Nigeria so that they can approve it. You select Nigeria. If you don't select Nigeria, they won't approve it. You can see now. You can now continue. So confirmed. So when you confirmed, so just write the full name. What is the full name? Patricia. So that's just all. Now save and preview. Your name's unique. Okay. Don't mind me. So update your signature exactly match your name if you are signed on behalf of someone. Okay, the share is perfect share. Okay, so I made a mistake with the spelling before. Now you can see now it's already out. Submit. So that's all. So you are now free. You can now post your ebook. You can now earn your money, and all the money will be paid directly to your pioneer. And from your pioneer, remember that you have linked your bank, so you are going to be getting the money from pioneer to your local bank account without stress. So the same thing applicable to Kobo. So when you come back to Kobo here, you know they said hello, blah 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 blah. The email, we have verified the email. They said no. So you just come back here. come back here, my account. You will now click on payment info. So your payment info, just add, you can see bank information, add bank. So you select your country. Check if there's Nigeria there. I'm not sure. You normally put Nigeria there. Okay, you have Nigeria. So you select your USD. Enter your. So for the safety, don't just click Nigeria, just choose USA. Just choose USA. United States of America. So you come here. He said they ask for bank routine number. So you come back to your Pioneer bank routine. So you come here, copy. So when you come back here, so paste the routine number. Click on search. You are less concerned about that. So that's the routine number. First entry. So you click it. Then you can see until I click on it, it is then they bring to where to put the account number. So you click on it. So account number and account holder. So you come back to your Pioneer again. Copy your account number. Come back here. Let us close this one. Okay. Account number. So you paste it. So account holder. So you come to your Pioneer 2. Account holder, which is beneficiary. You copy. So you come back here. Paste it here. V. So that's all. You can see the save changes now has been activated, so you click on save changes. So that's all. This is where you are going to be receiving your payment. That's all. So dashboard, no ebook. So you do not have any ebook yet. So close this one too. You are through with it. So you can now sign in into your account. So by your password. So in the next tutorial, we are going to be talking about how we are going to upload this content. We are through with the account creation and every setup we need to know. We have talked about how to set it, how to create the account, how to set it up, how to add a payment method, and how to get your payment to your Nigeria bank. We have talked about that. So in the next tutorial, we are going to be talking about how you are going to upload this content that you have researched, how you are going to rank on number 1 or number 2 list. So that's what we are going to be discussing in the next video. So till the next video, stay tuned.